Welcome once again, my dear students, to another class of computer networks. You all know that we have already covered a major part of the computer networks like network topologies, types of network, the network devices, cloud computing, and etc. So based upon those topics, today we will be discussing about a very important application based questions which come in the board exam of about 3 to 4 marks. Fine. So these are some previous papers questions which I will be going to explain to you, and I'm going to discuss with you. But before that, I would like to tell you some important tricks to solve such kind of application based question. So please watch this video very carefully. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we discuss the tips to solve these application based questions. These things should be kept in your mind once you start solving such kind of questions. The very basic thing is that you have to read the question at least 2 to 3 times before attempting. Okay, we have already discussed the servers, the placement of servers. Now, mostly in these questions, it will be asked like, where will you place the server? Like, you are given certain workstation, and now it is required that you will be asked that where will you place the server. Okay, the first point, make connection from the server building. The first thing you have to do, you have to draw a kind of a layout in your rough notebook or whatever the paper you are having. You have to make a connection from the server building. Now, what is the server building? How will you get to know? For finding the server placement or the server building, you have to find that station, that building which is having maximum number of computers. So where we have a maximum number of computers, there we place a server. Okay. For cable layout, draw the layout with a minimum total distance. Fine. These things will be clear to you once we'll solve some questions. And after that, according to the topologies we have discussed, you will write the name of the topology. Second is the placement of the network devices. The question can come to you that where will you place repeater? Where will you place hub and switch? Where will you place firewall? So, you all know what is the working of these devices. So let's start. Remember that modem will be placed in the server building always. So always whenever the question comes and it is asked like where will you place the modem will be placed in the server building. The work of the modem is to convert the signal, that means analog to digital and digital to analog. So this is the only work of a modem. Hub and switch can be placed in all the buildings because it is actually used to join your network. For network safety, we can use firewalls and devices and gateways. Devices like gateways and bridges will be rarely asked from you. But you know this thing, if they ask if you want to connect two dissimilar networks, then you have to answer gateway. You have to write gateway. And if they ask that where will you place to connect like two networks of similar type, then yes, we can use bridge. Okay, next is working in wireless network. Now I have discussed two things with you: placement of the server and placement of the network devices. Now the question can be, your network can be a wireless, or a network can be a wired. That means it can be connected with the help of a cable, or it cannot be connected with the help of a cable. So remember this thing. In wireless medium, we have a transmission with the help of satellites, microwaves, radio waves, Wi-Fi, infrared and etc. There are n number of devices, there are n number of technologies through which we can set up a wireless network. Always remember, we use a wireless when the distance is very large between the station. And if I talk about the economical and the cheapest connection, there you have to use radio waves or microwaves. Fine? Okay. And if your station is in hilly area, then you have to simply write radio wave, because in the hilly area, radio wave is best. For wireless medium, once again, satellite can also be one of the medium through which we can pass the information. Infrared is used in the communication between one room. You all have seen your TV remotes that uses a infrared communication. Coming to the next slide, working in wired medium. When we work with cables like Ethernet cable, so wired medium means we are actually working with the cables now. We are setting up a network with the help of a cables. So what kind of cables we have? We have a Ethernet, we have a twisted pair, we have a coaxial, we have a optical fiber, and like that. Okay, so where you have to use Ethernet, where it is used to connect the LAN. Okay, where we have a 30 to 50 meters of connectivity, there we can use Ethernet. Twisted pair can connect up to 100 meters and coaxial can connect up to 500 meters. So these are certain tips before you attempt a question. Now coming to the questions which actually comes in your exam. Fine. So the question is visible on your screen. You are given a 4 department like marketing department, fund department, legal department, and the sales department. And after that, there is certain distance which is given to you in meters. Remember this thing, make a point. यहाँ पर क्या given है? Distance in meters. And also it is given that the number of computers to be installed in each of the building, marketing building, legal department, fund department, sales department, how many computers are placed in each of the department. Okay, I have drawn a layout diagram of this particular question, so that I will share with you. That I am going to share with you. Fine, wait. So students, we are given 4 blocks: marketing department, fund department, legal department, and sales department. So I have drawn a kind of a layout from the distances given. You all know that where we have to place a computer server, because servers is placed at the sales department, because sales department has maximum number of computers, that is 42. So obviously server will be placed at the sales department, maximum number of the computers. Okay, so this is the kind of a layout or kind of a topology which I have drawn out of it, but just see to it very, very carefully. If I calculate the total distance of this topology, then 50, 100 and 80, it is somewhat about 230 meters. Fine, but I can arrange these stations in some different topology also. I can use sales department, fund departments, because the distance between both of them is 50 meters. Finance to marketing department is 80 meters and marketing to legal department is 180 meters. So it is somewhere around 310 meters, which is costing will be more. Yes, we can arrange the stations in this bus topology. Bus topology will not be a cost effective one, so we will go with the star topology. If someone asks you that should be the type of the network in which these stations are attached, so it will be WAN. It will be WAN. So we will be discussing this thing. This is our first question. So now this is all. So rest of the questions I will be discussing in the next video. Question number 2 and question 3 will be discussed in the next video. Don't forget to see the next part of this video. Thank you, and I hope you understand the topic well.